Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this video right now. Welcome to this channel, Happy Life. If this is the first time you came across my video or my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friend through Facebook, WhatsApp, and turn on the notification bell in order to get notified when I upload new video like this. Today, in this video, I want to explain and teach you how to use garlic and onion skin. Spiritual benefit of garlic and onion skin. Garlic is normally used in our various homes for cooking and making delicious meal, but we don't know that the skin of garlic and onion has spiritual benefits. Garlic and onion skin can perform the following spiritual functions such as protection, attract money, and many more. So sometimes you don't need much spiritual work in your life before you enjoy your life. Some people just need to use something that will always irritate the evil spirits around them, and things will start working perfectly for them. This method is simple but works effectively without any failure. So just follow the procedure to help you solve your financial problem. This is how to do this one. Garlic skin should be mixed with onion skin and burn indoors to keep or invite money to your house in a simple way. So if you have garlic skin and onion skin alone, you don't need to add anything with this. Just get the onion skin and garlic skin, mix everything together, the two together. You don't need to add anything to it. Just burn it like you burn incense or something. Let the smoke spread out of your home. So you will see the wonder, because it will chase the evil spirit away, and so that the normal thing will come around for you. This is another way. Garlic can also be used as protection to keep unwanted evil spirits from your house, which will help you live in a happy life, and can even protect your baby from the hands of evil visitor that will come for visitation in your house. So this method is also very simple and the fastest way to keep away evil spirits from coming into your house, which may help you. Maybe you are experiencing a scared sound at night, or you can't even describe what you are experiencing in your home at night. Just do something like this. So this is how to protect yourself from evil spirits by using garlics. Hang braid of fresh garlic, I mean fresh garlic, by the door to keep away unwanted spirits from your house and witches working against you. I think you understand this part. If you don't understand it, so you can ask me the question on comment box. So garlic can also be kept in our pocket for good luck or to attract good news, which will lead to a happy lifestyle. You see that this is so simple, is a natural thing. You don't need to add anything to it. Just take one clove of garlic or three, just put it inside your pocket, or if you can't put it inside your pocket, just put it inside your wallet or purse as a woman, so that everything will be fine for you. Please, pregnant woman with hot temperature should avoid the overuse of garlic. If you know that your temperature is always hot, please don't. I can even advise you, you don't need to use it at all during pregnancy. This is another one. It is noted that having garlic in your house alone is believed to protect you from robbery, ghosts, evil eyes, and magical attack. For you to have garlic in your home, maybe you have it inside your room or in your kitchen, just have it in your home. Is very important. Like I said before, it's very important to have original honey at home, because it do a lot of work. This is another one, especially for our women. Rub garlic on your pot before cooking to remove negative vibration which might otherwise contaminate the food. So it's good to protect ourselves because protection is better than cure. I think you understand this part as well. This is another way how to use garlic as a self-protection. If you are under magical attack or dealing with a nasty ghost, you can line the bottom of your window sill and doorways with powdered garlic to prevent evil spirits from you. I mean, just get powdered garlic. You can make garlic powder at home by yourself or buy it at the grocery store. So just get garlic powder, and just spread it on your window and then at the your doorstep. So just do it like that. It chases away evil spirits. Another one, garlic. If we are talking about garlic has a lot of things to do. So if we continue to talk about how garlic work, in fact, we can spend more than 3 hours on this video, but this is another way. Let me stop on this. Get garlic, at least 3 cloves of garlic. Just make sure that you put it under your pillow. Just leave it there. Don't remove it. It will not spoil. Yes, it will not spoil. At least more than 1 month, it will not spoil. Just put it under your pillow. You will sleep the way you want, like a baby. Even if you dream, you will remember your dream. Yes, and then the evil spirits will not near you. So that it's very, very important to have garlic at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, if this is the first time you came across my video, my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friend. Turn on the notification bell in order to get notified when I upload new video like this. Thank you so much. May God bless all of us and answer our prayer. Amen.